Hit level 1. Coming up, jog on spot. Ready, set, go. Staying light on your toes, on the ball of your feet, run on the spot, matching the pace of the model. Good. 10 seconds gone already. Use your arms. That's 15 seconds. Staying light on your toes, no pausing between. Good. 20 seconds. Begin to speed up. Good. Heels shouldn't be touching the floor. Good. Staying light on your feet, you're past halfway. Keep it going. Keep the abs tight. Keep the posture nice and upright. 20 seconds to go. Speed up now. Coming up, we have the non-impact burpee. 15 seconds. Speed up now. Want to really push it for the last 10 seconds. Approaching 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Speed up. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Coming up, non-impact burpee. Ready, set, go. Hands flat to the floor, step back 1 foot at a time, body into a plank, step back to the start position, reach up, stretch your arms into the sky. Good, stepping back. When you go into the plank position, make sure your stomach muscles are engaged. 15 seconds, no pausing in this exercise. Continual pace, stretching up to the sky when you stand up. 20 seconds already gone. Match the pace of the model, hands flat to the floor, stepping back, body straight, stepping up, standing up and reaching up. 30 seconds gone. Good, keep the pace up. Abs nice and tight. Stretching up and reach up as high as you can. If you've got a bit more energy, when you stretch up, you can tiptoe. 20 seconds to go. Coming up, we've got elbow to knee. 15 seconds. Good. Speed up a bit more for me now. Speed up. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Okay. Elbow to knee. We're going one side first. Ready, set, go. Lift your elbow to your knee, meeting at the belly button, keeping your abs engaged and staying very light on your foot. 30 seconds one side, and then we're going to switch sides. Keeping your abs engaged, elbow to the knee. Try to get them as close together as you can. Good, 20 seconds gone. We're going to switch sides in 10 seconds. Speed up a bit for me now, abs nice and tight. Switch in 3, 2, 1, and switch sides. Away we go. Abs nice and tight. Good. Keep the same pace. Bring your elbow to your knee. Try to make them touch. 20 seconds to go. Coming up, we've got the squat tiptoe. 15 seconds. Speed up for me now. We're approaching the last 10. Good. Abs tight. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it going. You're doing well. Coming up, squat to tiptoe. Ready, set, go. Squatting all the way down and lifting up, raising onto your tiptoes. Squat down nice and low until your bottom is lower than your knees. As you squat down, lift your arms up towards your head, and as you come up, stretch your arms down towards the floor. Good. Continual pace. There should be no pausing throughout the exercise. 20 seconds gone. Doing well. Tiptoe and reach all the way up, down nice and low. 30 seconds. Keep your belly button pulled in throughout the exercise. Good. Dropping all the way down, coming all the way up. Last 20 seconds. Doing well. Speed up for me now. Coming up, we have star jumps. Good. Squatting up to your tiptoes, stretching your arms down, lifting your arms up. 10, 9, 8, speed up. 7, 6, 5, push it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. We're past halfway. Keep it going. Coming up, star jumps. Ready, set, go. Good. Staying light on your feet. Jump with your feet close together until they go wide apart and your arms lifting by your side in coordination with the feet. Staying light on your toes, continual motion. There should be no pausing throughout this exercise. 15 seconds already gone. You're doing well. Keep the abs engaged. 20 seconds. Start to speed up for me now. Remember, it's continual pace. No pausing, no stopping. Keep pushing it. 30 seconds gone. Good, you're doing well. Keep lifting your arms up. As we approach the last 20 seconds, speed up for me. That's 20 seconds, start to speed up now. Coming up, we have lunges. 15 seconds. Keep the pace up, staying light on your toes. Good, speed up for the last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, all you got, 3, 2, 1. Great work, let's go. Lunges. Ready, set, go. Stepping forwards, bending the back knee down, stepping back to the start. Arms down by the side, body very straight and upright, stomach muscles pulled inwards, making sure you're not leaning forwards as you lunge forwards. Want to keep nice, straight, upright posture, so shoulders back and down. That's 20 seconds gone. Bending the back knee close to the floor. Good, but do not hit contact. That's it. Alternate legs each time, stretching out those quads. 30 seconds gone, keep it going. Abs nice and tight, shoulders back, posture upright. Good, nice and low with the knees. 20 seconds. Speed up, touch for me now. Coming up, we have crossover crunch, so we're going to the ground. 15 seconds. Good, speed up for me now. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Keep pushing. Lie onto your back for the next exercise. Crossover crunch. Hands behind the head. Ready, set, go. With the hands behind the head, lift out, breathe up, and rotate your upper body towards one side, squeezing your abs and your obliques. 10 seconds already gone. Coming up, we have the crunch. 15 seconds, breathe out, lift up, crunch your stomach muscles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smashed it. Straight crunches coming up. Hands behind the head, breathe out and lift up. Ready, set, go. Lifting up, breathing out, squeezing the abdominal muscles as much as you can. Good. 20 seconds to go. Good. Breathing out, lifting up, squeeze the muscles, lie back down very gently. Keep the pace up, continual, no pausing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smashed it. Congratulations, you finished your 7-minute morning workout. Happy hormones are active in your brain that will enhance your motivation, uplift your mood, and improve your focus for the next 24 hours.